I'm going to show you guys how to build this course page where it's set up that we have a toggle here that holds the questions. So if I open this, it has the toggle that holds the questions, and inside of this toggle it has the show me more or show me the answer toggle, which would show the answer. Now keep in mind that none of this is styled color wise or text font, none of that. So I would leave that up to you to style how you see fit with your website. Now, as you can see here, I have it laid out really simple, just question 1, 2, 3, 4, and they all contain the same layout. So there's question 1, you have your progress, or excuse me, question 3, your progress bar, a video if that's what you choose to place in there, your content, and the show me the answer area, which obviously has an image, content, and a list. So let me show you. This is the front of the page here. I'm looking at it from the front end. If I were to open this page, it would look like this. Now keep in mind, I'm going to provide the templates for this in the video, so it'll be really simple for you to follow along. So now when I hover over this area, I want to show you that it's entirely built using a toggle, excuse me. And when I open these toggles, I want you to take note that they only contain shortcode. Okay, so you have 496 is the ID here. You have 499. Now their shortcodes are obviously your questions and the answer area. So let me go ahead and show you how this is built. We use templates for this area. And if I go to my templates area, you can see that I have here labeled question 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, I've also got these categorized to Facebook Course 1. If you do not categorize these and you have a large member site, then it's going to be really hard to manage. Now, keep in mind, if you have a large member site, there probably is a better way to do this. What we're doing here is kind of using Lego blocks. So let's go ahead, and if I were to open up one of these pages, now let me go back to the front end really quick and show you question 1, 2, 3, and 4 again. Now if I hover over the edit with Elementor, you're going to see the same question 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I could edit these questions from right here. Obviously I could just, instead of going through the template, I could go through and say page 1, let me open that question up, and let's say you need to change the content. This is how you would edit and change the actual question and answer itself. Now when I'm done with this, I'm going to actually build this layout live so you can see exactly how it's done. So obviously we could change this and remove this. Let's change this. Now if I delete that from my templates, now keep in mind that this page, if I come back to my templates, is right here, 499. Okay, so I could also edit from here, but that other way that I just showed you saves you a few steps. So if I save my changes, go back to the course page, and let me open the question first, you're going to see, let's change this. Reload. And I apologize for the computer. It's taking a little bit of time. I've got quite a few windows opened, or quite a few monitors with a ton of windows. So as you can see, it changed. All right, now let's go through and build this really quick. On another screen, I have the templates already saved. So if I drag this up here, you'll see that I have the template area saved. Let me get this out of the way. And what we're going to do is upload this. I'm going to provide these templates. Again, I'm going to attach them to the video so you can download them and work with them yourself. So I've got all these pages closed out. Let me keep my templates open because I'm going to need to import. And I'll close this page here out as well. Yeah, we can leave this page, it's fine. And what we're going to do, we're going to come back to this test for video. I'm going to just open with Elementor. we're going to import the template. As you can see, it's just a blank page with the header and footer. So I'm going to click the file icon, and then I'm going to select the upload icon here. And I'm just going to drag in first my page, because this is what we're importing now, is the page part. So I'm going to grab the page and drag it up. Obviously you can't see what I'm doing, I'm off screen, but now I've dragged it up. And we're just going to scroll down to the bottom, because the new templates always get added at the bottom, and we'll insert. And I do not care about the settings, so no. So now the page is loaded, as you can see, and it's got all the content that I had in there. Yours, when you upload yours, it will not have the content. The only reason I'm displaying the content is because my shortcodes are already saved in the computer, or in the actual back end. So yours will not be saved unless you upload them prior to the page. So I've got the page here uploaded, and again I've got the toggle that holds the shortcodes. So what we're going to do is save, and for the sake of this video I'm going to delete these shortcodes, just so we can bring them back in live and avoid any confusion. Excuse me. Okay, now the shortcodes have been removed. I'm going to save my changes. I'm going to go back to templates, and I'm going to upload my templates. Now remember, keep in mind, you need to have a category for your templates. So label the category however you wish. I'm going to select import templates, choose file, and I will open here shortly. I'm going to go to downloads. I'm going to select my template, file. I'm going to go to the questions templates, and we also have the course page templates that holds the shortcodes. So first I'm going to bring in this course page template. Alright, and I'm going to import. Now when I open this template, forgive me, I had to pause for a support question, but when I open this template, you're going to see the page that I just imported right there. So that's fine where we're at. I just wanted to show you that for the sake of this video. So the next thing we're going to import is the actual questions themselves. So again, import templates, choose file. I'll go back, and I'm going to grab the file questions templates. And where's my file at there? Excuse me. I grabbed the wrong one. Course page templates that hold shortcodes. So this is your questions that hold the shortcodes. Import. And now you can see we have we have the questions here. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab them in order. So 1, 496, copy. I'm going to go to the page. I'm going to open up question 1, and I'm going to paste this shortcode in question 1. So what I'm going to do is pause the video and speed through this for the sake of the time. Okay, now I have the shortcodes all in place. So can you surf? We have the shortcode 512. What is your dog's name? We have the shortcode 508. So I'm going to save my changes, and I'm going to open this page in another window. And what we're going to do now is edit a few of the questions. So I'm going to go back. As you can see, we're just like I started to begin with. So I have my questions inside of the toggle, and then I have this show me the answer inside of the toggle. So now if I come here, back to my templates, and I'm going to open question 1, edit with Elementor. And so now that the page is loaded, you can see we have question 1 here. So we can obviously go through and change the video, replace this with whatever video you have. If that's what you wish to put here, you could replace this with content. You could go through and change your text, obviously, and restyle the entire layout to match your website. But what you're probably most interested in is the show me the answer. So if I hover over that, right click, notice first it's created with a toggle. So this is nothing more than a toggle that has had the background and the styling removed, so it's just displaying the text and the icon. Okay, so if you look here, I have my icon, and if I go to background, you'll see that we have a transparent background on this, or no background, but a transparent would be the same. Okay, so we have a transparent background, and I'll save my changes. Now, obviously, if this were question 2, you would need to adjust your progress bar. I have it on 4% now, and I would go edit progress bar, and I would move the percentage up for question 3 to maybe, 15%. All right, and you would repeat that process for each one of your questions, obviously. Okay, I hope this helps you understand and also helps you display your content in a better fashion that's easier to manage for your users. But do keep in mind, if you have a large course, that this is not necessarily the best way to perform this, because working with the templates could get confusing. So there are membership plugins out there that provide the remorph feature and the toggle. So if that's something you want to look into, you could look into that. Or if you don't want to make the change, obviously you have this option to run with. Okay? Enjoy your evening, day, morning, and feel free to message me, guys, if you have any questions. And again, the templates will be attached to the video. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy your time.